Question number 2 for decimals. Here we go. Shanti bought 17.85 meters of cloth. With it, she makes dresses. She makes some dresses. Each dress requires 1.25 meters of cloth. What is the maximum number of dresses Shanti can make with the cloth she has? How much leftover cloth is there or was there? How do we solve this? This is actually similar to the last question. We just need to take 17.85, which is the amount of cloth Shanti has, divided by 1.25 meters, and then you get your answer. Now, as mentioned earlier, it's in question 1. It is best to remove the decimal place, especially from this number. So if you times this by 100, you are shifting 2 decimal points place. So this becomes 125, right? And you shift 2, it becomes 1785. Okay, let's divide it then. But before that, let's reduce this. 1785 divided 125. Divide by 5, you get 25. Divide by 5, what do we get? Let's look, alright? 1785. When you divide by 5, 15, which is 3. Remember 2, 28, 25, 5. Remember 3, 5, 7. So 357, you get 357 here. And you can't divide any further. This can divide by 5, but this cannot divide by 5. So what do we do? Let's do long division then. 357 divided by 25. 25, you get 1. Minus, you get 10, bring 7 down. You can divide by 25, you get 100 can divide by 25, you get 4. Bring the 7 down, and now you can write the answer as 14/7 over 25. One possibility. Or you can divide further to get a decimal. So you put a dot here, put a dot here. You're going to put a dot here, no problem. Add as many zeros as you want to. You want to add 4 zeros, can be 4 zeros, no problem. Bring the 0 down. 50 is possible, you get 2 here. Okay, I'm going to rewrite this here so that we don't miss out. No? This is 1785 divided by 25. We divide by 5. We divide by 5, 357. So now we're going to continue this bit here to find what is the decimal. You get 2 over here, right? 2 over here. Minus again, you get 20. Alright? You can bring 1 0 down. It's 200. 200 you can divide. You get 8. So it's 14.28. So what does it mean? It means the maximum number of dresses she can make is 14. 14. Just 14. So answer for question number A is 14. What about question number B? How much leftover cloth was there? Now some students make the mistake of saying there's 0.28 meters of cloth. No. Or you say there's 725 meters of cloth. No. This is 725 of this meters of cloth. So you can change it to cm if you want to. You want to change it to cm, not a problem. So let's see now. It's 725 of this one. So of is times 125 cm. Let's assume you get 1, you get 5. 7 times 5, 35 cm. So this is the leftover. How much leftover cloth was there? Is 35 cm. Now if you don't believe this, just do the decimal way. Here we go. You have 0.28, 14.28. So 0.28 is the left over 0.28 of what? Of this 1.25. So what off means times, right? 1.25. So you multiply it here. Let's multiply it here. Okay, I'm gonna rub this off now, and I'm gonna multiply this here. Okay, 14,725. You know that's the answer. Here we go. 1.25 times 0.28. Now ignore the dots first. Ignore the dots, alright? Just multiply. 5 times 8, 14. 2 times 8, 16, plus 4, 20. 2 is carried out. 1 plus 8 is 8, add 2 becomes 10. Multiply the second one. Put the 0 first. 5 times 2 is 10, carry 1. Alright? 2 times 2, 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. You add together 0, 0, 3. Right? Now count the number of decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the dot here. 0.35 meters. Why is it meters? Because this is in meters. This is in meters. This one we change to cm. So it's the same thing. What's the leftover cloth is either 35 cm or 0.35 meters. It's the same thing. If you don't get it, please watch the video again. If you still don't get it, I'm going to show you another way. Rub this all off. Alright. Let's make sure you understand the question. Now each dress that she makes is 1.25 meters. Let's see if she makes 10 dresses. You need to times this by 10. She needs 12.5 meters of cloth. This is for 10 dresses. What about let's say 4 dresses? 4 dresses, if you times this by 4, you will get a whole number. You get 5 meters. How do I know? Because 25 times 4 is 100. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 1 is 5. If you add both of these together, it's really 17.5 meters. Shanti has 17.85 meters. She can make 14 dresses, and she needs 17.5 meters. That's minus 7.5. Add a 0 here. 5, 3, 0. This is the leftover cloth. So you can work upwards if you want to. Work it as close as possible to 17.85, which is what I've done. Alright. So it's 17.5, and then I minus and find the difference. But this method, to some degree, you're guessing how many dresses she's making. But if you use the earlier method, that's more precise.